Hello Anjali. Hi Ria, how are you? Hi Anjali, I'm fine. How are you doing? I am good too. I was thinking about you, so I called you. That's so sweet of you. What are you doing right now? I am at home. I just finished my housework. Oh, really? What did you do today? Yes, I rested for a while in the afternoon. What about you? That sound tiring. Did you take some rest? I woke up early in the morning, cleaned the house, and cooked food for my family. I went to the market in the morning. What did you buy? I bought vegetables, fruits, and some groceries. Did you go alone? No, I went with my mother. That's nice. Did you enjoy it? Yes, I did, but it was very crowded. What did you do after coming back home? I cooked lunch and then watched some English videos on YouTube. Oh, wow! Are you learning English regularly now? Yes, I started practicing English daily. That's really good. I want to improve my English too. Yes, I spoke in English for 30 minutes. Did you face any problem while learning? You should practice daily. It really helps. That's great. Did you practice speaking yesterday? Yes. Sometimes I forget words, but I don't stop speaking. That's the right way. Practice makes perfect. Exactly, Anjali. What are your plans for tomorrow? I will wake up early and revise my lessons. That's a good plan. What about you? That sounds nice. Please convey my regards to her. Sure, I will. It was nice talking to you. Same here, Ria. Let's talk again in the evening. Okay, Anjali. Take care. You too. Bye, Ria. Bye bye, Anjali.